Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up here in this situation.
Hi, my name is Diana Ottenberg, and I'm here today on the social ritualization of the male species called day. We got male men coming in and entering into their welcoming herd. They're just waiting to receive their text and to see which clan they're gonna make it into. I think they spot us. We gotta go. It's exciting. Like we said before, the males have already came out of their meetings and they're just ready to party, rock and roll with their new brethren. It's gonna be a tough one, you guys, but we're gonna try and film it. One of them just puked. They got embarrassed. Typical males. See, it's hard because we can't get closely to the males right now or else they'll be spooked easily. We tried twice and failed. Look at them now, just roaring in anger. This is new territory. I have nothing for this. I'm just in awe in all this male camaraderie that's going on. We didn't choose the hunting life, but the hunting life chose us. Guys, this is really exciting things right now. We're super dangerously close to the man. Look at this beer can. Look at the greens. There's no hydration going on. It's all beer. Boys do have feelings. You see, Bid Day is really a fascinating event where the males could prove that they're worthy to each other, one-on-one, bond to bond, soul to soul. Some people might even get lip tattoos for all we know. But they're brothers for life. It's a dog. It's super cute. Lying on the thing. I won't hurt you, little boy. I love you. Okay. Hello. I have nothing to say, but just film behind me. Yo. They don't really like the paparazzi.
I don't like the paparazzi.